Thanks so much for being here. My name is James Poulter. Everyone knows me as JP. I'm the CEO and one of the co-founders at Vixen Labs. We're one of the leading global voice and AI consultancies based out of London, Chicago, and Berlin. It's my honor to be helping host this afternoon's session. I'm going to just start off with a couple of high-level trends to kind of set the scene, and then we're going to jump into our first bit of content as we go through this afternoon. I'm sure many of you are kind of starting this new 2023 with lots of potential on the horizon. We've seen that there is many different aspects of the voice, conversational, generative, synthetic, pick the nomenclature that you prefer, but what we're really talking about is how AI is going to change the way in which humans talk to computers and those computers talk back, and that we might use those things to generate new content. And so we're definitely beginning this year with seeing what we are saying is the AI battle is kind of beginning, whether it's the big large language models, whether it's the new types of synthetic content that we're going to hear about in just a few moments. This is really at the forefront. We're seeing big moves, and you'll see this as you wander around the convention center today, that voice in the enterprise is really becoming a significant player. We've got moves from the likes of Amazon and Google into enterprise solutions, rolling out massive device libraries into all sorts of new contexts, including in the home, but now into places like hospitality and in healthcare settings. And we're seeing that because of those two things, that the ethics of AI is now at the forefront of all that we have to think about. How will we deploy these things? How will we treat things like privacy, bias, black box algorithms, ownership? These are questions that are coming to the fore as well. We've seen real moves in the voice space, particularly in the voice and conversational AI space, with Google changing the way in which they're approaching things, Apple beginning to actually reinvent the way in which they're handling things like IoT, and we've got new standards like Matter. But Alexa continues to dominate really the position of the home voice assistant, and we're seeing that they're doubling down despite the recent changes and cutbacks that they've seen. And how many of you came to the session today because you were interested by the words chat GPT? A few, I'm sure. These models, whilst not necessarily commercially applicable yet, begin to show us the future of where this might go. And we're super excited to see where that will go. And our prediction is that chat GPT will begin to open up as the year progresses. So I just want to kind of start with just setting that little kind of scene. If you want to scan that QR code, we've got a full report on those 5 trends for you to go and download, and you'll also be able to get it from the Research Vault, which is on the little RFID tokens that are on the tables at the back as well. But if you'd like any more briefing on those trends, do come and grab me afterwards and we'll dig into it. We've got a fantastic lineup of speakers for you this afternoon, and it's my pleasure to start off with our partners from Veritone, sponsors of Voice Summit, our Diamond sponsors this year, and a good friend, Mr. Sean King, who's going to come and start us off talking about the future of synthetic media and where voice and AI is going. So I would like you to welcome Sean King.